what I did is I created SVG files of all the icons you can see here in Photoshop, converted them to SVG. Where is SVG? Yeah, I converted all the files to SVG, and using this free online software, I've just created a font. What you can do is, I'll just show you. You have to just drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. I want to do this long time since I joined Kony, but I cannot do it because of I didn't have control over the project. Yeah, you just drag and drop the SVG files into this software. I used different tool, fantastic. This site here you can see this customize. You can customize this software. Once you click on font here, you basically create a font. You can give name selective. I give selective because project. You can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. And now this font, I used it as custom font. I copied this font into resources, font folder. You can see here selective font. Same I did for iPhone. Same I did for Windows. Windows I did. We don't need Windows. Then I'll just delete this. You go in visualizer. You can place a label. Type in A and go to skin. Change font to selective. Change font to selective. Voila, that's it. Yeah, it's not capital A, it's small a. I'll just increase the font for you to see it better. And now you see it's small a, you get the icon. What you can do with this, it's scalable without any pixelation. You change colors. Yeah, you can do anything you want. You wanted a background color, you can give a background color. You give a background color, but you can also make it if you want round. You can make it. You can make it on. Yeah, if you increase the padding here, you get a padding. You can see you get a padding. I'll reduce the font size to something reasonable, 1000. So you can see there's a lot of possibilities here, and you never have to bother about pixelation or creating images or losing images or anything like that. So this is what I did. So yeah, you copy this. So this is not a button. If you give this to a button, what happens, you can give here you have a button. I say yeah. I go to skin. I adjust the font. I say selective. I say selective. Yeah, apply. And what I do, I increase the font. You can see. So I copy this. Same thing to the mouse hover. I say selective. Selective. So apply. One. Border. Custom. I'll make it 100. I'll just go to say increase 1. I say 100. Here I can There I said 400, I can say 400 here. So when you touch on the icon, the font will decrease, and there's a lot of possibilities like this. You can do whatever you want with these fonts. You see, you can even give drop shadow. Yeah, sorry, text shadow is here. I'll change the color. So for color, you can give shadow. Yeah, this won't work in Windows, but yes, this is pretty good. This is how actually I did this for selective. I started this with selective, but for unknown reason I could not. It didn't work in ID, so I didn't know what to do, and I just left it like that. Then later on, I just researched on it and found out that the font name what I gave, you can change whatever you want. You can change A, C, D. This is what I have created. Simple, and it can be scalable, and you don't need any images hereafter. And if you see the font size about 7 KB, the images which we did for selective altogether was 12 MB. If we use this font, we can cut down the size of the app by 12 MB. App will be light. That's it.